In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an invoice on HoneyBook so you can bill your clients professionally and get paid faster. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the files. Here, all you have to do is super simple. There is a drop-down menu, or you can simply go here at the right side and click the invoices. What will happen is this will forward you to a page wherein you simply have to create a new invoice. And matter of fact, you can create an invoice from scratch if you have a lot of experience using HoneyBook, or if you want, you can use a simple template so that you don't want to start from scratch. For example, we have a basic simple invoice that we are going to use right now. Okay, let's use this one. What will happen is you will be forwarded to the invoice editor. And of course, as you can see, you need to provide the recipient. Click on it. Okay. Enter the name and contact details. For example, we're going to put it here. Okay. Select the, let's say, for example, we're going to create a new contact. Okay, add a full name, let's say, and then provide an email address if you want. This is if you wanted to create a new contract. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this because I don't want to create a new recipient. Okay, click the add button. Instead, I'm gonna use a dummy or training account, and then here all I have to do is super simple. Since we are a YouTube channel, of course, we are a content creation media creating YouTube how-to tutorials for you guys. Now, all I have to do is super simple. Provide the pricing details. For example, you can put in the price here. Okay. And then here, you can put in and bill your clients without second guessing. Okay. Click the edit price. Now, once you are happy, if you wanted to add a new service, you can do that as well. And if you want to add an image for that, it's okay. Now, once the image has been uploaded, click the insert button. Okay. And if you want to have more controls, for example, if you want to provide some more invoice details such as company logo, okay, company details, and if you wanted to create a payment schedule, you can also do that here. You have so many controls, and if you want to add your own colors to reflect your own brand and identity, you can do that. Once you are happy, as you can see, there's an option here to send test, so that we want to make sure that we have the correct invoice for our clients. Once you're happy, click the send test. Okay. Send anyway. And there you have it. Now, once you're happy with that, click the share button. And of course, you can forward this invoice to the email address of your client by clicking the plus button to add participant. It could be your client, your team manager, your supervisor, and a lot more. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to create an invoice on HoneyBook. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.